So we were asked earlier as to why we've written the book now at this time. And I think one of the things that really emboldened us was the profound outcomes from an extended government-sponsored research trial around the methodology that we describe in this book. And this was not an insignificant undertaking. To take 15 years of your work and put that under academic scrutiny is not for the faint-hearted. And this was a trial that would take this methodology, this approach we were promoting here, and put that across 62 unrelated organisations across 14 different sectors. And that research was undertaken by the London School of Economics. And what the government were interested to see was, what would the impact be? How would managers change, and would there be an organisational impact on that as well? And the results showed very clearly that it did change management behaviour. More than that, that the skill sets the managers were using were completely universal. It worked for managers in all roles, all capacities, across all sectors. We couldn't find any distinction in the data that favoured one industry over another. So the results of the research that we explore in the book were declared as robust, and actually are an advance in the science and the practice of management. For us, though, what's more important is that people learning to adopt this approach are winning time back. They're de-stressing. They're able to take a step back, gain perspective of their roles, how they're engaging with their team, how they're driving a more purposeful outcome from the works of their teams. And that's getting better work and life balance. And I think we could all use some of that.
And also, don't forget as well that people have taken us loads of examples of where they're also using it outside of work. So we get lots and lots of people write to us and share successes they've had. It's conversation with my teenage son for years. Conversation with my wife, priceless. So we've had loads and loads of personal stories, as well as all the work stories shared with us. And many of them we've put in the book to give you some examples as well of the different ways you can apply this skill.